Hey guys, what's up? I dyed my hair as as per voted. The vote at the time that I've done this said blonde, so I went blonde, and I think I look beautiful. Tell me I'm beautiful. No, but seriously, guys, thank you so much for the views and allowing me to finally dye my hair a nice color. So that was great. We got nice. I think we're looking good. We're looking fucking fancy with this blonde right now. But besides that, guys, so while looking at my watch hours, I realized that we've only reached 1,500. That's it. We've only hit 1,500, and it's not you guys. You guys are doing great watching all these videos. It's really great. Thank you guys so much for the watch time. But the problem actually is just 4,000 hours is so much. It's so much, and YouTube hates me, so they're not gonna. They've been deleting my hours. Our actual hours is more like 2,500 ish, and our actual sub count is more like 2,000, more like 1,500 to 2,000. But YouTube has been deleting subscribers and deleting watch hours from my channel. I've been seeing it go up and down, and you could just tell by the analytics, especially with the watch hours, that it's been deleting things. It's deleting when someone watches a video twice. It deletes the hours. When someone makes a second account, it deletes the account. YouTube just does not like my channel. That's fine, but I did want to announce that. So 4,000 hours is gonna be hard. I think that'll just be a natural achievement that we'll get in the future. But I will announce that either we hit 4,000 hours or if we hit 2,500 subscribers, I will still do the same giveaway. With the 2700X 2060 now, I believe I can do a 2060. If not, still 1660 Ti, an amazing streaming PC we'll be making for 2,500 subs now. I know it seems like a lot. It's almost double my sub count now, but every time I set a goal, we crush it within 2 weeks. So I think we can do this within a month or so. So let's hit 2,500 so I can give away another gaming PC. So I dyed my hair. We're about to give away another PC, so 2,500. I mean, if we hit 4,000 hours before then, we'll still do it. But like I said, YouTube just doesn't like me. It's been deleting my watch hours, so instead we are raising it to 2,500 subs. Because like I said, every milestone, so 2,500, 5,000, 10,000, or 7,500, depends. I think we can do this very quickly. It's very easy. Just tell your friends, tell your aunts, tell your sons. I don't know, just tell people. And we will be giving away another gaming PC. And like I said, everyone that's already entered, though, on the 4,000 hours, you already entered. I have everyone in. You can go ahead and comment on this video. Hit it with a like and a subscribe. If you haven't subscribed already, that'd be very disappointing. You're stopping everyone else from having a giveaway. But if you want to hit this video with a like and a comment, I will go ahead and float you by another entry into this giveaway. Thank you guys so much for all the support. I love you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.